Loud noises may indicate several issues, okay? It could be a loose motor, a loose fan blade. It can be that the filter is not placed in correctly. It could be mechanical issues from the burner compartment itself. Now, these are things where you would really want to have a professional come out, take a look, because it's not something that we take lightly. When we hear a noise coming from the furnace, if it's happening during the heating operation, it's something that you should immediately stop the heater and call a professional out to inspect, because it can be dangerous.